I always wanted to do this. Oh, I'm trying to go forward more. It's so much fun. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm heading out to Big Bear. We're at the turnout at the moment, and I am with my special girl, Gracie. Shout out to her for bringing us here. We had to spend a night at a hotel. We're at the winding roads around here. Check this out. We're on the top of the mountain, I think like 7,000 feet up here. And you can see all these cars. Well, once you head to Big Bear, you're gonna be facing some winding roads out here. And right now, like I said, we're at the 7,000 feet. And my friend Seth, is supposed to be with us, but I think we're gonna be seeing him hopefully around 11. This is like a dirt road here. It's not like one of those freeway roads. I think it's a private property road, maybe. Could be. Look how steep that is. I can barely see the ground. I have to really be careful because the dirt gravel here, it's almost slippery. I like to mention it's a lovely weather today. Clear sky, no clouds. Took us 3 hours to get from where we live and to all the way to get here. We're gonna be heading out to Big Bear now. I've never been to Big Bear. Well, I actually been to Big Bear. I just don't remember it. I was told I'd been there as a toddler, so can't wait to go back there. So at this time I can remember and take videos. Just arrived at the Big Bear place, and my friend is nowhere in sight. It takes a long time to get here. If you ever been to Big Bear, you probably know what I'm talking about because the winding roads, it takes a while. At least we arrived here. Well, you made it. You know what? I gave you a time limit, like I'll give them 6 minutes, and then you just arrived like 3 minutes earlier.
Going home, right?
Are you ready for this?
No, this place sucks. I'm going home.
It's a nice day though. I think that's where you get tickets. Or no, wait, I think it's in there. This is my friend Seth. So it's gonna be 3 of us hanging out. Can't wait to get on this ride though.
We're gonna parkour the shit out of this place.
I parkoured one time. It's been a long time since I've been doing that stuff. Do they have an entrance there to that coaster there?
Yeah, we have to go get our ticket, and then the entrance is over back over there.
Oh, so where's the ticket place at? Oh, okay. That's where the tickets is at. Are you ready? Are you excited? It's 12 noon. We got 5 hours left until everything closes. Look at that slide, though.
The bowling barn?
Oh, they have a lot of cool stuff here. Oh, that's the one I was always had my eyes on. The when they go down that slide. That's what I'm looking forward to. It wasn't too bad. We just got a wrist ticket.
We signed a waiver.
We signed a waiver?
That's what that machine was.
Oh, really? I didn't even know that was a waiver.
Yeah.
No, unless you're just kidding about it.
No.
Oh, this is the entrance over here. To get on this ride here. You're right. Sign a release waiver and cross ski. This is what it is. How was that ride though?
Well, the cops didn't catch me.
So educational purposes for the viewers that if you guys ever come down here in Big Bear, when you try out this, you will sign a waiver because it might die.
Wave at you.
The wave at you. You have to pay attention to all the instructions. I was reading it like maybe 3 times or 4, maybe more than 4 times to like memorize it because I didn't want to get anything wrong. That cart right there, that person's on, it's automatic, but there's a sign that'll tell you on the way up. It'll tell you to push forward.
Okay, I've never ridden on one.
Same here.
Come on out. Get ready, here it comes. Go ahead and sit. Back, pull the safety bar over your head, please.
It feels like a swing.
It is like a chair.
Right, and then it goes all the way up. Something to look forward to in Big Bear. This is what I'm gonna go on. You see the slide down here? Oh,
Wonderful.
we have this bar here. Hi, Seth. I can see you. Where are we going?
I can't see, so we're gonna have to fake it.
Oh, well, don't drop your phone. That's what I want to go on, where that person's going.
What person?
That just came down to this slide thing.
That's what we're doing.
Oh, that's what we're doing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought this was part of the ride too.
Kind of, huh?
I'm glad it's a beautiful day today. Look at those trees, green, and some of them are not green.
It's fall, that's why. Did you see the lake behind us?
Oh, look at the lake. You can see it from here. I wasn't able to see the lake from down there. All right, here comes Seth. We're driving our sleds right now, and then we're gonna go over here, go on the slow part. I'm gonna go on the first time riders. I'm using my other phone, so I'll have a good grip on this one, so I won't lose it. So yeah, all you have to do is push forward, so you can go forward. That's how it looks from the inside. See? I think this way you can brake. This is your brake. This is forward. What are you doing? I hear it.
I'm trying to make sure it goes. Okay. I think I wasn't on the track.
Oh. See down there? I always wanted to do this! Oh. I'm trying to go forward more. It's so much fun. Hopefully I don't fall off because I almost fall like I almost want to. I'm trying to push as forward as I can. Well, here we go. Here's the curb. I wish I had my other phone because I can't get my face. It's like good. That's where we slow down. I wonder how everyone else is doing. Didn't want to get my finger in there. I don't see them. Slow down. Oh, I see you. I see Gracie. Here she comes. Prepare to stop. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I've never done this before. There she comes. How was it? Oh shit, he's gonna run you over. Go, keep going.
I can't go anymore.
So we're gonna do a double go-kart,
Yeah.
right? I can drive, yeah, because you're gonna be driving back home. So the double car is for only kids. It's only for children. I'll give you a kid.
I know. You're a little bit too big for a child.
Yeah, I'd be shorter, but
Get on your knees.
but you saw me how my knees were like hanging out and stuff.
Yeah.
My legs were hanging out on that other ride, the last one we went on. Oh, here comes this ride. I don't think they're coming down quick. Oh, here. I want to go on that ride. Please wait here. Okay, so I'm taking the singles. I could get number 5. All right, I'm all strapped in. I'm ready to have a purple car. Last lap? Thank you. My legs are still sticking out. I have long legs. Here we go. Get out of the way, Slowpoke! Get out of my way! I see Sam. Woo! Wow, you're way back there. Seth! Come on, pass me, Seth. I want to get you. I want to get you in front of me. I can't believe I'm riding. I'm using one hand for this and recording the whole thing. Seth thinks he's in Mario Kart. And eat. We're going to the Saucy Mama's Pizzeria. So this place looks really nice, this Big Bear areas. I just want to get it on film. Before I end this video, I just want to give a very high rating of a 10 out of 10. I totally recommend anyone that might have thoughts on coming to Big Bear Lake. Saucy Mama's Pizzeria became one of my favorite restaurants. Once you enter inside, the staff at the front desk will give you an option if you want to sit at the bar or at the booth. Since pizza and hamburgers are both one of my favorite foods, I ordered a medium-sized hamburger pizza. Look away or skip this part of the video if you don't like the combination of hamburger on a pizza. I took a bite and I thought it was really good. It really does taste like hamburger on a pizza. I give it a 10 out of 10. After having a great meal, me, Gracie, and Seth no doubt felt really full from the food. We decided to spend the rest of the afternoon walking it off at the Alpine Pedal Path Trail next to Big Bear Lake. Going on the trail, walking off all the pizza that we ate. Gracie didn't eat pizza. She ate, what's it called?
Tortellini.
Tortellini. I would like to thank the viewers if you made it this far by watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to end the video here. Till next time, take care everyone. Peace.